please make sure that you go subscribe, share, and hit the bell on your right hand side, and that you like this video, y'all. Hey, another video. Yeah. OMG. Yay! It's your girl C, and I'm back, you guys, with another video. Now let's eat. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. I pray that it is a nourishment for my body. In Jesus' name I do so pray. Amen. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm not going to be before you guys too long. I had to do another mukbang tonight and let you know what I got. But y'all, look, I have some pasta. My Aunt Dorothy, her name is Dorothy. Y'all don't even know her last name. But my auntie is really good at, and my cousin, they're really good at making certain foods, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. And on top of that, I'm trying to get her to make me some oxtails, but we gonna get that together because I'm gonna get some oxtails on this channel. I'm gonna get some oxtails on this channel. Do you hear me? Ain't gonna be made by me, but my auntie know how to make some mean oxtails, y'all. Ooh! Woo! Anyway, I've already done my blessing session, and as Muscle and Marriage would say, I've already done my blessing session. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. My auntie and my cousin, they made some pasta. I kind of had to doctor it up or whatever myself. I put a little cayenne pepper in here, garlic pepper, and some salt because it was a little bit too sweet. But either way, it's gonna be a good meal. So just so y'all can see, this is what I got tonight. There's some tomatoes up in here, y'all. Big old fat tomato, but I'm not gonna be eating that. Big old tomato. I'm good. I don't get down like that. But anyway, I'm finna go ahead and start eating, y'all. Okay. You bring this camera up closely so y'all can see. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and start eating. It's hot. My first time tasting it, but it's good. But I couldn't really wait. Just to let some of y'all know, I had a and some of y'all maybe some of y'all don't know. I'm not gonna be before you guys too long tonight. Like I said, maybe some of y'all don't know if you're new or just subscribing to my channel. I'm a musician, and I had a musician appreciation tonight. So I'm getting home. I'm just now eating. But whatever. I'm just now eating. But some of y'all that are new, I hope that you know, and even the old ones, I hope that you like this video, you subscribe, you comment below. Let me know how you feel. Let me know how you feel about this video. Like this video, subscribe to this video, share this video with anyone that you know. Your family members, your friends, your associates, your acquaintances, anywhere and everywhere, to let them know what your girl, OMG, yay, let's eat, is doing. And let them know. But this pasta is good, y'all. My auntie made this pasta. I might show y'all my auntie. I may not show y'all my auntie. You never know. My auntie is one of the ones, she don't like being in the camera. And if she do like being in the camera, she don't like for it to be shared. That's the truth. But she can cook her behind off. That's all I got to say about that. But she don't like being in the camera like that, y'all. She really don't. Got some pasta right here, y'all. that my auntie made. Yeah, boy. But she can make a mean oxtails too. And that's even better. Why I got this big old tomato. Anyway, I was coming to y'all tonight because I had to come to y'all. I put some cayenne pepper in here, so that's why it's so spicy. Anybody know that like pasta? Pasta can fill you up real quick. For real, for real. Well, hopefully y'all can see me real good. I'm probably finna get ready to change my lighting. Everything. Oh, I dropped a piece. I'm finna get that piece. I did drop 2 pieces, y'all. So guess what? I'm gonna eat the piece because everybody know about that 20-second rule. But anyway, as far as my topic tonight, y'all. I do have a topic y'all want to discuss with you guys tonight. And my topic is mainly about staying positive. No matter what may be going on around your atmosphere, you have to continue to stay positive. It doesn't matter who it is. As long as you guys know, it doesn't matter who it may be, as long as you continue to stay positive. And for anyone that needs to hear this, I hope that you're continuing to stay positive. Whether it's your family, your friends, any associates or any acquaintances or anyone that you deal with, I hope and pray that you guys are out there and you're continuing to stay positive. Because throughout your life, and whatever that you do, that's the topic tonight. Okay? For OMG, let's see. This is the topic tonight. You can be as positive, you can be as influential, or you can be as funny as you can be. But there's always going to be a couple of people. There's always going to be one person, 2 people, 3 people, 3 persons, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's always going to be one person that is going to disagree with what you are doing in your life. So that brings me to my point. This is on my life. This is on everything. And I hope that I can reach out to someone tonight. No matter what the circumstances may be, and however and whoever looks at me crazy, it doesn't matter to me. It never has. But I would like for you guys to know out there. I wish I had some garlic bread with this, y'all, because some garlic bread would be real good with this pasta. But I want you guys to know out there, don't get discouraged. You have to ignore the ignoramuses. You have to ignore the ignorance. Okay, you have to, in order to move forward and do what you want to do. Do what you like to do. Do what God has called you to do. Point blank, period. I don't really know what any other way to put it. And stay humble while you're doing it. Don't be nasty while you're doing it now. You stay humble. Don't worry about nobody else and what they have to say. You stay positive. Okay? I'm going to give it to you the real way. You always got somebody with a side eye. You always got somebody looking at you around the corner. Everybody is looking at you. Everybody sees what you're doing. Everybody, they you know what I'm saying? They feel like they can see what you're doing. You stay positive. Point blank, period. Don't care about what no one else does. No one else says. Whatever they see. As long as you keep it positive, you be straight. Don't worry about nobody else. You can't worry about nobody else. Because if you're worried about other people and how they feel and what they say about you, oh yeah. You SOL. Now, some of y'all know what SOL means. I'm not going to put it on my channel. But y'all know what that means. Oh, y'all, I'm sorry. I got some Sprite right here. I made me some Sprite with a lot of ice. But that was my only topic, y'all. I'm not trying to be before y'all too long, but yo, I can't stress that enough, you know. You just gotta stay positive, man. You got to stay positive. You got to have your mind frame like, oh, okay. No, that doesn't mean be ugly. That doesn't mean be evil. That's not what I'm talking about. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is being humble. You feel what I'm saying? And understanding what's going on in life. Understanding some of the people that you may have that you dealt with in the past, in the future, in the present. Pay attention to it. Just pay attention. You can't just pay attention with your eyes. You gotta pay attention with your mind. You have to. You have to. And some of y'all don't really know me like that, but you have to pay attention because of what's going on in the world already. We're already in the last days. It's been biblical. It's been told. It's in the Revelation. It's already been stated. It's already been posted. It's already been announced. So some of us are just doing that because you're not using your brain. You're not thinking about what's really going on in the world. Clean yourself up. Be nice. Be cordial. Make sure that you are listening and that you are taking heed. That's the only good word I know how to use. Take heed. It's not about all that other stuff. It's really not. Take heed. Respect your parents. Love your parents. Respect your kids. Love your kids. Because there's a lot of parents that I know that's out here and they provoke their kids. And it says in the Bible, you ain't supposed to be provoking nobody. Stop provoking them. And you know what? No matter how I'm looking, no matter how I may come off to you guys, I'm still gonna spread the gospel to anyone, everyone that I know. That's how I was raised. And some of y'all, I don't know how y'all was raised. I be asking who raised y'all, but that ain't none of my business. Is it? Nope. It's not. I'm not talking about y'all. I'm talking about me, and I'm just trying to give a word of encouragement. That's it. That's all. So, I'm going to continue to eat. I like all them tomatoes in there, y'all. I hope some of y'all understand what I'm saying. I really do. The world we're living in right now is nothing to play with. And it's good that you continue to have patience and that you learn what's going on. You do your research, take some notes, and understand what's going on. If you have any friends or any loved ones that you've had any bad blood with, to me, in my eyes and the way that I feel like you should reach out to them and tell them how you feel in a positive way. Not in a negative way, a positive way. My topic tonight is positivity. Positivity. That's my topic tonight. Stay positive. I could go into depth with y'all, but I ain't gonna do it. Stay positive. Anyway, y'all, I'm finna go. I'm gonna edit this video. Do what I gotta do. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and you share this video with anyone that you know. Family, friends, acquaintances, associates, anywhere, everywhere. Let them know what your girl is doing. This is OMG. Yay! Let's eat. So make sure that you share this video. This is your girl OMG. Let's eat with C. Y'all stay blessed. And please stay faithful.